Hello, welcome back for lesson number 67. I put a title called Nose. Today we're going to cut the finishing for the nose area. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have finished the chin area. Today we will cut the nose area. Similar method, we're going to use duplicate. Change the tool by using select 12 mm flat end mill. Right mouse click edit. We need to update the parameters. Set the side and bottom thickness to 0. Base only. Change the retract and the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. Drag the tool. Z-15. What we expected. Click OK. OK again. Let's go into solid verify. Looks good. Analysis visual. Yes. Change to green color. We are actually complete the finishing. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click the previous operation. Collapse it. Right mouse click. Duplicate. Select the final tool. Right mouse click. Edit. Need to update the parameters. Set to 0. 0 as well. This one is base only. We can use this method to say copy to retract. Display. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. Drag the tool. Z-15. Yes, this is what we expected. OK. Click OK again. Right mouse click. Let's go into solid verify. Drag the speed. Play. Looks good. Let us go into option, analysis visual. Zoom in. We tilt the part. Yes, it's good. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to perform finishing operation on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.